If 1.3 million Indian army with all their wherewithal, if they cannot intimidate us and they cannot coerce us, these terrorists can subdue the armed forces of Pakistan. Our stance, government stance on Kashmir is absolutely clear. It was our jugular vein. It is our jugular vein. We will not forget it. तुम 1500 बंदे कहोगे कि जी हम इसको ले जाएंगे, तुम्हारी अगली 10 नस्लें भी नहीं लेके जा सकती. या अय्युहल्लज़ीना आमनू इन जाअकुम फासिकुम बिनबइन फतबय्यनु अन तुसीबू कौमम बिजहालतिन फतुस्बिहू अला मा फअलतुम नादिमीन. क्या ईमान वालों, जब तुम्हारे पास कोई फासिक स्टोरी लेकर आता है तो तहकीक करो. और आपका सोशल मीडिया क्या कहता है? Forwarded as received. Well, our forefathers, they thought that we are different from the Hindus in every possible aspect of life. Our religion is different. Our customs are different. Our traditions are different. Our thoughts are different. Our ambitions are different. That was the foundation of the two-nation theory that was laid there. That we are two nations. We are not one nation. So because of that, our forefathers, they struggled, mounted that incessant struggle to create this country. Our forefathers, they have sacrificed immensely, and we have sacrificed a lot for the creation of this country, and we know how to defend it. My dear brothers and sisters and sons and daughters, please don't forget this story of Pakistan, and don't forget to narrate this story of Pakistan to your next generation, so that their bond with Pakistan, it never weakens. Whether it is the third generation or the fourth generation or the fifth generation, they know that what Pakistan is for them. आज तक इंसानियत की तारीख में सिर्फ 2 रियासतें हैं जो कलमे की बुनियाद पर बनी हैं. पहली जो थी उसका नाम है रियासत तैयबा, क्योंकि तैयबा जो है वो नबी करीम सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम ने उसको नाम दिया था. और जबकि कुरान में उसका नाम है यसरब, या अहले यसरिबा ला मुकाम लकुम फरजिउ, ये कुरान में नाम है उसका, जो आज जिसको मदीना अल मुनव्वरा कहा जाता है. और दूसरी रियासत जो है वो उसके 1300 साल के बाद अल्लाह ताला ने ये आपकी बनाई है, कलमे की बुनियाद के ऊपर. Whatever little bit of the terrorism which is taking place in the country, and the people say, and the people they are mostly propagating, that with this kind of security situation there won't be any investment coming to Pakistan. Well, to them, they must hear me very clearly now. You think terrorists, they can take away the destiny of the country from us? If this great Pakistani nation and the Pakistani armed forces, if 1.3 million Indian army with all their wherewithal, if they cannot intimidate us and they cannot coerce us, these terrorists can subdue the armed forces of Pakistan. और बलूचिस्तान जो है, जो कि पाकिस्तान की डेस्टिनी है, ठीक है, जो कि पाकिस्तान के माथे का झूमर है, तुम 1500 बंदे कहोगे कि जी हम इसको ले जाएंगे, तुम्हारी अगली 10 नस्लें भी नहीं लेके जा सकती. Inshallah, you will see that we will beat the hell of these terrorists very soon. Balochistan, you think this 1500 people belonging to BLA and BLF and BRA, etc., can take away Balochistan from us? We have those brave fathers that who proudly shoulder the funeral of their sons and take them to the graves. Pakistan will not fall. And for as long as we have those brave mothers that who proudly sacrifice their sons for the sake of the country, Pakistan will not fall. आपके मुल्क के सिक्योरिटी के इदारों को, those that who are sacrificing their lives on daily basis for your safety and security and for the well-being and defense of the country, जो उनको belittle करता है, he is actually friend of enemy and he is enemy of Pakistan. Pakistan needs to be a hard state, a country whose all institutions, whose all departments, organizations, divisions, allied departments, they are working as per the law, they are fully operational, and everything is being done as per the constitution, is a hard state. ये सोशल मीडिया का मैं कह रहा था, आपका जो है वो मजहब क्लियरली सूरह अहज़ाब जो है जाके खोलें पढ़ लें, उसको उसमें क्लियर लिखा हुआ है। मतलब कुरान से ज्यादा ट्रूथफुल चीज तो हमारे लिए कोई नहीं है ना। या अय्युहल्लज़ीना आमनू इन जाअकुम फासिकुम बिनबइन फतबय्यनु अन तुसीबू कौमम बिजहालतिन फतुस्बिहू अला मा फअलतुम नादिमीन। कि ऐ ईमान वालो, जब तुम्हारे पास कोई फासिक स्टोरी लेकर आता है तो तहकीक करो, ये ना हो कि तुम अपनी जहालत में किसी का नुकसान कर दो और तुम्हें उसके ऊपर नदामत उठानी पड़े। दिस इज योर कुरान। और आपका सोशल मीडिया क्या कहता है? फॉरवर्डेड एज रिसीव्ड। और ये तहकीक करने की जरूरत नहीं है, बस इसको आगे चलाओ। Our stance, government stance on Kashmir is absolutely clear. It was our jugular vein. It is our jugular vein. We will not forget it. And we will not leave our Kashmiri brethren in their heroic struggle, what they are waging against the Indian occupation. And we have fought 3 wars for Kashmir. To the Muslims of the Gaza also. Every kind of support that has been extended, and it is Pakistan, in the strongest possible words have been used by Pakistan for the Muslims of the Gaza and Palestine. So it's not a question of when will Pakistan rise. It is no more a question. Pakistan has already started rising. The question is how fast and how quickly can you rise? That is the question. And we will definitely guide this country to occupy its rightful position in the Committee of the Nations. If you come across difficulty, face it. Stand before that difficulty and overcome that difficulty. And chart out your path toward that destiny which Allah Ta'ala has promised you. And we will reach there, inshallah, regardless of all these difficulties. Pakistan, Hamesha Zindabad. Our sentiments and emotions for you, they're even stronger. You're not only the ambassadors of Pakistan, you're of course the warriors, the soldiers of Pakistan. You are the light of Pakistan, which shines onto many countries of the globe. And the way that you are contributing for your country in the form of the remittances, investments through multiple channels, that show that how much of love that you have for your country. हमारे beloved जो overseas हैं, because आप एक different तहजीब में रहते हैं, don't you ever forget that you belong to a superior ideology, a superior culture. जो इकबाल ने भी कहा था ना, अपनी मिल्लत पर कियास अक़वाम मग़रिब से न कर, खास है तरकीब में कौम रसूल हाशमी।